Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team on Clash of Clans. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your home base. Now, if you wish to contact the support team for Clash of Clans, then click on the gear icon at the bottom right and then click on Help and Support. From the Help and Support section, you can tap on the message icon at the top right and then tap on Leave a Message to directly send a support email. From this page, you can chat with the support team and let them know your query by entering it within the message box. After sending your query, you will get the appropriate response from the support team at Supercell. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team for the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.